Today, let's go over some DIY gift ideas perfect for Mother's Day. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today we are talking about DIY gift ideas you can make for Mother's Day. Now, I tried to find 5 different items that we have made over time to include some of more relaxing items to items they have in their bathroom, or just items that you could keep around the house for, drinking tea or having a good book. So, all of these are pretty quick to make, pretty easy to make, but also have a really nice feeling that you could give to your mom. Now, starting off, we will go with the coaster or even a mug rug. So, I absolutely love giving coasters. Now, these ones are from when I had made them from Christmas time, but you can make them in whatever pattern or theme you wanted. You could also up the size on these so you can make them be more of a rectangle if you wanted to have more of a mug rug so that they could sit their coffee or tea on it. And sometimes you can kind of even put like a cookie with it. So, maybe like a nice box of new tea, and then a set of coasters could be a fun gift. Second could be a bookmark. So lots of different shapes and sizes for bookmarks that you can use. I do love this little corner bookmark though. You could think of this in your mom's favorite colors if she has a favorite pattern. I know like that sometimes like my mom really loves floral patterns, so something with like florals or blues. So a really fun and easy little gift that you could provide. You could also give them maybe either a gift card to a local bookstore or maybe just some new books. If they are somebody who reads with a Kindle, you could also make like a little bag for their Kindle to go in. I am working on a pattern for that as I think that may be really helpful to some people. But I know that sometimes we just like the feel of those original books too. As you can see, the pattern itself can use 2 different colors of fabric, or you can just go with the same fabric. It's really up to you. So this can be a really fun, easy gift idea if you're looking for something quick, and then you can always pair it with some other things if your mom loves to read. Next up, we have the DIY heating pad. I absolutely love giving these as gifts. They can be so fun. I have one that's in the shape of a heart. This can be perfect for your hands or wrist, especially if you're somebody who has arthritis. You can kind of just keep this on your hands, wrist. It can also be great for your neck. Because of that heart shape, it can fit really nicely between like your neck and shoulder and just provide a little bit of support. I think that these can be so fun to make, and you can do them in so many different colors and patterns. Now, if you are somebody who's worried about like it getting dirty, you could always make a cover for this on the outside too. The one that I feature online, it does just this one piece. Now, I also have a free pattern piece for this larger version, which is more truly just for your neck. It has little channels for the rice to go into so that it more adds as like a really nice comforting feeling of warmth all the way around your neck. So that could be another option if you know that she just really loves warmth and wants something that she can like wrap around her neck and shoulders. I think this can be a really great gift idea. You can always pair something like this too with maybe like a spa gift certificate, or if you want to buy different like lotions or items that she may like, you can kind of pair it together so that it's not just like this one item, but you can kind of grow it as you need to depending on what you want to include. This kind of rolls nicely into my next idea, which is the vinyl bag. I absolutely love these little vinyl bags as they're really easy to clean, they're pretty easy to make, and then it can store all of your favorite items within it. So you could always make her one of these bags, and then maybe put some little lotions or some nice like little bath smellies just so that she has those on hand, and then you could take those with you on different trips. Now, these little bags can actually hold a lot more than I feel like most people would anticipate. That's why I tried at first to fill these with so many different items. But you could use this really for whatever she has an interest in. So if she travels, if she uses makeup, you could definitely cater to both of those needs depending on what you want to fill it with. You could also just provide the bag itself, depending on if that's like where you're going with it. If you're somebody new to sewing and you've never sewed with vinyl before, I highly recommend thinner vinyl. It'll just make it a little bit easier for you and your machine. But this is definitely a really fun project. I absolutely love making these bags. So now moving on to our next idea, and that is the lumbar pillow. What I love about this pillow is that one, it has the washable cover, but it also has handles. So it's really easy to carry around with you. It's really easy to bring with you. And then you can make this so quickly. So because it is that nice size and shape, it's perfect for your lower back. And it's actually not super, super large, so you could carry this with you if you're traveling, if you're going to different sport events. So a really great item that you can kind of bring with you wherever you're going. What's really fun is that we've actually brought this on a plane before as well, and it was the perfect little travel companion, and then you could just wash the cover. So I hope this gave you some ideas for Mother's Day for gifts that you could make for your mom. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these. There is a full pattern or at least video tutorial available for all of these, and I will link them in the video as this goes through in case you want more information. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.